Welcome everyone to Mac Doodles, presented by the Mesquite Arts Council. I'm your host and instructor, Joe Cadena, and today we're talking about greenery. This one's fake. But anyway, you know what a plant is. Today we're going to draw plants. Green, sometimes they're different colors, photosynthesis, vegetables, I guess. So of course I'll be doing my regular two drawings. That's two. You get the slow one, and then the one that's going to be a little bit more complicated. Remember, you can use a pencil, pen, graphics tablet, however you want to do it. Let's get started. With warmer weather, we'll have more concert events. On May 5th, our Courtyard Concert Series will feature Sarah Carino. On May 19th, our Mesquite Rocks event will feature Epic Unplugged. We love to support our intergalactic community. This May the 4th, we will be celebrating our local musician, Sarla Franklin. They will also be hosting an in-person event on May 21st. This is a Just for Kids event, and registration is requested. More information on our website. The city's annual Cinco de Mayo event will happen May 7th in downtown Mesquite's Front Street Station. This event will be from 12 to 5 p.m. Mesquite Arts Council will be hosting a free ceramic piñata painting workshop for the first 100 participants. Mesquite Symphony Orchestra will present their last concert of the season on May 21st. To learn more about Victory and Triumph, please visit mesquitesymphony.org. I sure hope you enjoyed drawing plants. There's so many types. I only drew 2, so draw whatever you like. Draw a mushroom, draw a flower, draw an agave plant, draw a bush, some grass, cactus, some spinach, a head of cabbage, multiple flowers at once.